Hello, Mr. Lorenz. So, here's your keel. The keel ends right here, and then this is your gripe. And there was some rot on the bottom of the gripe, which that's not a big deal because the rest of the gripe's in decent shape. Not the best of shape, but it's in decent shape. It's got more life in it. So, but this is all rotted away, and this is where your planks actually, this fasteners for your planks actually land in this. What's missing from this would have been at an angle like this for the planks to land on. And so that's missing. And then this is the end of your stem. So this tongue, if you will, that was in here, that's all gone. And I think that's a bit of a surprise. But then what's worse is it's gone forward as well. And you can see that a great deal of that stem is gone. You can see that you got concerto. You don't even have a half an inch. The guys thought you had about a half an inch, but there's not even a half an inch of good wood. That goes way, my finger can go way in that. And then here's the end of it right here, the top of it. So, to get good meat to attach to, we're going to have to be up in here somewhere to be able to make a repair to that. Now this was some kind of a butt block that somebody put in. They cut this plank short and did some work up here, and because that typically there would not be a joint there, so there's basically some kind of a butt block back here that's going to have to be removed to make this repair as well. So this plank, or a portion of this plank, we don't have to take the whole plank off. We can short plank it. We can make a joint in the plank right about here. We can make it. I really would like to go back farther, make your joint back here a little farther. One more frame bay. And of course, the joints are made between frames. So we can make you a plank, but you've got nothing to attach to right here. And you have nothing to attach to right here on what should be the end of your stem. You can see that even in your gripe, you had some rot that we're going to have to mitigate here. But basically, what was expected was this, I think, and perhaps maybe this. But the problem is, with this problem up here, we've got to go up farther and find good wood to attach to. So again, that you're probably, and if we short plank, then this isn't going to be the end of the world if we're short planking. So you do have some rot indications clear up here, which would be an additional plank. This one right here, we would also maybe want to do, maybe have to do. We may not have anything to fasten to for a while. So that's the concern. We know that what you've paid thus far is with what you paid thus far, we can do that. We can do additional exploration. That's really all we can do to determine how far we got to go to find good wood in your stem. And that's about the best we can do with what you got left in the bank, in the till here. So anyway, take a look at that, make your decision. You may want to pick it up. If you do, we understand. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.